I'm reviewing this rice cooker. The brand is CUCKOO. My husband and I have had this rice cooker for a few months now and absolutely love it. It's very clean, it's simple, and it looks beautiful on my kitchen counter. It has a lot of functions, but it's simple to follow, and the important functions are listed here on the top, which is what I love. It also has an auto clean function, which is great because it maintains the rice cooker for a very long time. There's also a lot of menu options that you can cook for this rice cooker. You can cook oatmeal, white rice, brown rice, quinoa, sticky rice, so a lot of different options, which I love. This is a 6-cup rice cooker. My husband and I only do about 2 to 3, but I'm really glad that, you know, this can hold up to 6 cups in case you do have guests come over. This rice cooker comes with a little rice spoon, and then it also comes with a measuring cup. The pot on the inside is non-stick and non-toxic. It's very durable and very sturdy. It also has measuring lines on the side here. Overall, we are very happy with this rice cooker. Our rice tastes really good and it lasts for a long time. So that was very important to us because we had an old rice cooker that would just burn out our rice so fast that we would waste rice. But this helps to keep our rice lasting and taste good, and we're really happy with this rice cooker.